guys, and welcome back to this channel. So today I'll be doing vending machine number 4. So here are the coins. Coins are here. This is the what do you call this? We found coins. You guys can see the word we found. This is collect price here. This is where I can pick my squishies a little. So yeah, let's get started. So if I use 20 cent, confirm cannot go in sometime. So I'm gonna insert. Yep, it went. Oh, so does money roll down? See, if I put 20 cent, yeah, the coin will go. Oh, so does money roll down? See, if I put 20 cent, yeah, the coin will go. Yep, it went. Wooden. Pick my hole. That's all in. See what I got. Pick my hole. That's all in. See what I got. I'm gonna just spin the spinner. I think she can go now. Yep. Here's the item. How do I know? Because this one has both. Then it means it has something. And so I'm gonna just stick it up. Oh, so and then put the sushi back from here. And this is what insert in the vending machine. This is a coin holder when you collect your money.